So here is one really hard to find, new in box, with this logo here of the rails, Trackmaster engines, flip face, Talking James. So you're not gonna find this for sale on eBay anytime soon. So this is sealed, never open. Now I just want to point that the box has a little bit of tear and wear, as you can see here. And this is because of the handling. See there, never open, sealed box. There you can see more details of the boxes of the box. Here's on the other side, never open. So here it is, brand new Talking flip face James. That is the angry face. I think it's paint. So the link is in the description. Again, if you don't find it, it's not available. Now, for this, definitely you need to sign upon receiving. So a signature confirmation is required. So there you have it.